In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can print PDF brochures for each listing you have. First of all, go into the properties database and you'll open up one of your listings. Inside the marketing area, you will see the details where you give the property a heading, also the summary for the internet, but you also have a short summary below which is used for a brochure. Obviously the text for the internet is going to be quite long and it won't fit onto an A4 brochure. So when we're doing the brochure text, you can generally copy the first one or two paragraphs and put that into your short summary. This is what's used for all of your PDF printing. Once you've entered your short summary, you'll hit the update button to save that. And to print your brochures or window cards for the property, you'll then go to the actions option and you'll see an option called print brochure. Inside the print brochure option, you will see your default layouts. Simply select one of these options. You can choose to hide your open times or show them, and then hit the generate and download. This will then open up a PDF of the property, and if it does not open up a PDF, check your URL bar that there's not a little icon appearing blocking the pop-ups of the PDF to show. Now that you have the PDF showing, you can see that on the first page, it's the photos and the text, and on the second page we have the floor plan. You can then download this to save it, or you can print it directly from here. Once you are finished, you can close the window of your PDF and you'll be back in your Locked On account.